Hey folks, back here doing upgrades and repairs to my power wheelchair mobility scooter thingy, whatever you want to call it, medical device. And one of the other things I've got going here is an alarm system. These are used for bikes, and you just zip tie it onto the pole. I've done this under the seat, so it's going to be real hard for a thief to get to it. I had another one of these, and it was stolen. It really sucked. That one had a bunch more upgrades, and this one was broken, so I'm having to fix it. But these alarms are pretty cool. It comes with batteries inside. They kind of leaked a little bit, so I had to clean it up. But pretty simple. If you click the top button, it arms it. It's really loud. You can't tell in the video, but it is piercingly loud. So now that's to let you know it's armed. And now if somebody tries to lift my chair or move it, it lets them know that's bad. And if I try to do that again, it will really get loud. So I'm going to disarm it by holding the button. And now it's disarmed. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So yeah, got a safety alarm on here now. And now I'm going to work on fixing this broken tiller. That'll be the next video.